Jeju Island is famous for its extraordinary view. So many people want to go there for their honeymoon. The island is very different from other provinces. The color of the sea is cobalt blue, and there are various types of trees that I haven't seen before. There are many places to visit, for example, Teddy Bear Museum, Aquarium, Submarine Tour, and Mongolian Town, and so on. Jeju, the farthest southern island in Korea, was formed during volcanic activity in the Cenozoic era. As a result, Mountain Hana sits in the center of Jeju as evidence of the volcanic activity, and a variety of lava caves and parasitic volcanoes can be found nearby. Mountain Hala, or you can say Hana, and the various lava caves are considered major tourist attractions and are visited by many people to experience the essence of Jeju Island. One should not miss climbing Mountain Hana or Hala and exploring the lava caves, the traces of the Cenozoic era also. One can explore the history of Jeju by viewing ancient monuments and cultural treasure. Thank you for listening. That was the main highlight tourist attraction for Jeju Island. I'll just explain that. Thank you.